Welcome to Kemal Precision Mold Company Limited. We were established in 1995 as a company specializing in precision mold design, manufacturing, and injection molding. Our commitment is to provide customers with high quality and efficient products and services. Additionally, we have a professional product design and CNC processing team to offer customers one-stop services to fulfill their diverse needs. Our products are extensively used in aerospace, medical, automotive, and consumer electronics industries. Our company has achieved numerous international certifications and honors, showcasing our dedication and pursuit of quality and service. Our mold design team consists of experienced professionals with innovative thinking, providing comprehensive mold design services to our clients. Our mold manufacturing production team is composed of skilled experts with over 20 years of experience and cutting-edge technology in mold manufacturing, covering mold design, manufacturing, and mold trials. We possess advanced mold manufacturing equipment, including Makino, Fanuc, Dali, YCM, Dali CNC machines, wire EDM machines, grinding machines, and more, catering to customers' various needs. Our injection molding team is made up of skilled and experienced professionals. We have advanced injection molding equipment, including Yizumi machines, ranging from 90 tons to 650 tons automatic injection molding machines, meeting customers' diverse demands. We offer a wide range of advanced secondary processing technologies such as painting, silk printing, pad printing, heat staking, powder coating, transfer printing, electroplating, sandblasting, assembly, and other processes to accommodate different customer requirements. Quality control is a crucial department within our company. Our testing equipment includes CMM, optical projector, hardness tester, 2 sets of hexagon CMMs, 1 set of serine optical projector, and 2 sets of hardness testers. Our service team consistently adheres to the customer-first principle, providing clients with professional, efficient, and considerate services. Our technical director boasts over 25 years of experience in the mold industry. His deep understanding of the sector and rich technical expertise deliver robust support for the company's technical research and innovation. We look forward to collaborating with you.